everyone, it's Happymailqueen. Today I have a quick project to share with you guys. I just posted this on Instagram a little while ago and I thought I'd go ahead and share it here on YouTube. I wanted to create a butterfly with the coiled hair ties. These right here that I had gotten from Daiso. It comes in a 4-pack. There are other colors as well, but these are the ones that I picked up. And I thought it'd be perfect for Easter. You guys might have seen my video during Valentine's Day or February. I had created some heart ones, heart dangles with these, and I was inspired by Anna, Serenity Creations, actually, and she shared how she created the heart with some wire, and this is what I used, artistic wire, and this is the 20 gauge, I believe, pretty sure, yeah, this is a 20 gauge one, so it's very, very pliable. And so all you do is to put it through like so. Anne has a tutorial, so I will actually link her video. But once you have it through and it comes out, also you put it all around and it comes out here, and then you she shows you how to coil it around itself, you know, when you get to the end, and you do it on both sides. So that's exactly what I did. And then I added another piece. So this is the first one. Let me just show you the first one that I made. So I did one to create the circle, and I shaped it into a butterfly. And the best way to do it is to kind of make a square first, and then go ahead and pinch the middle part, and then you can kind of shape it that way and just push the sides in, push this in. You kind of have to manipulate it, you know, until you get the shape you want. And then I took another piece of wire and I folded it so one side of the wire is this way and one side of the wire is this way, like that. So it's like I sandwiched this. And I put beads on this side, 2 beads on this side, and 2 beads on this side. But as you can see, it's a little wonky because it's hard to line it up. It's never gonna come out straight because of the coils. So the front and the back it's never gonna line up. So then I just twisted, I think I just did like one twist, this, you know, to keep these two together. And then I used my tool right here to create the antennas, and it came out like that. Now I wasn't crazy about the fact that you have you know, that these didn't line up, because that's why I kind of call it my wonky coiled butterfly, because it doesn't line up. So then I decided for the second one I did 3 wire going this way, a wire going vertical this way, and created a loop and attached it to the wire going this way, and attached the other loop on this side to the wire going this way. And then I took another piece of wire that I shaped like a V, so I folded it over in itself and then attached it this way. So then I created that, and so you are gonna kind of see the wire on this side, but you just flip it over to where, you know, you can hide the wire. So I did that. And then for this one, for the last one, I decided, no, that's just too much wire. So for this one, I did 1 wire going this way, another wire that I folded in itself and attached it here, and then I put the beads, both beads, through the 2 wires going this way, And then let's see, what did I do? I put it all the way through and then twisted it. And then I actually put a bead on top. And I forgot, that's what I did here too, but a smaller bead. But I figured with this one, it looks more like, it looks better because then the head is a little bit bigger. And then again, I rolled the wire for the antenna. So I hope that makes sense. So anyway, yeah, I really fussed with it a lot, but I hope you guys like how it came out. It's pretty cute. I mean, you know, let me know what you think, and if you have any better ideas, I'm open to it. And then I was inspired by Jen Hadfield's new collection called Reaching Out, and I decided this is what I wanted to do with mine, and I kept it pastel colored. So I didn't have, it looked like she used like really large seed beads. It's either that or she used small pony beads. And then I think the letters that she put on hers are square, the letter beads, but this is the one I have. So I was using what I have on hand, and I was only able to put one little bead, and the beads that I use for this one is the ones from the Dollar Tree. It doesn't come with a bottle, but this is it right here. They're the pastel colored beads that you get from the Dollar Tree. So, and then I just attached that butterfly that I purchased from Amazon. And so there's that. And then I just did a bunch of them, and they're all pretty much the same. Some I could only fit one bead. The shorter the letter is, or the word is, with less letters, then you can add more beads to the side of the letters. Like this one right here. And this is the 2-inch pins that I had gotten from Amazon. And I think it was like a little bit over $5. And you get, something like 30 or 20, something like that. So here's this. And then here are the other ones. As you can see here, I did smile. So again, 5 letters. This one's 5 letters. So yes, maximum is 5. Did I say 4? Maximum is 5. Sorry guys, I can't talk today. Sorry, this is the second time I did this video, because the first time my batteries went dead. I forgot to charge my phone. All right. And then here's hugs. There's that one. And then these two right here. Really cute, right? For this one, I did do the seed beads, and I put 2 here and 1 here. So you can see there. And those are the only colored seed beads that I have that are nice and big, because all my other seed beads are too small. So that is it. That is my project for today. I hope you guys liked it, and please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't subscribed. I would love to have you subscribe to my channel, and thanks so much for your support. All right guys, I'll talk to you later. Bye.